Practice problem 11-5B. Allocating selling and administrative expenses using activity-based costing. Shroot Incorporated manufactures office copiers which are sold to retailers. The price and cost of goods sold for each copier are as follows. Price $1,110 per unit and cost of goods sold $682 with a gross profit of $428 per unit. In addition, the company incurs selling and administrative expenses of $14,030. The company wishes to assign these costs to its three major retail customers, The Warehouse, Cosmo-Go, and Supply Universe. These expenses are related to its three major non-manufacturing activities: customer service, sales order processing, and advertising support. The advertising support is in the form of advertisements that are placed by Shroot Incorporated to support the retailer's sale of Shroot copiers to customers. The budgeted activity costs and activity base associated with these activities are as follows. Activities: customer service, sales order processing, and advertising cost. Budgeted activity cost for customer service is $76,860, while sales order processing is $25,920, advertising support $311,250, with a total of $414,030. The activities for each activity is the number of service requests, number of sales orders, and numbers of ads placed. Activity-based usage and unit volume information for the three customers is as follows. Number of service requests: The Warehouse has 62, Cosmo-Go has 340, Supply Universe 25 with a total of 427. Number of sales orders for The Warehouse is 300, Cosmo 640, and Supply 140 with a total of 1,080. The number of ads placed is 25 for Warehouse, 180 for Cosmo, and 44 for Supply Universe with a total of 249, each with having a unit volume of 810 and a total of 2,430. The requirements: 1. Determine the activity rates for each of the three non-manufacturing activities. 2. Determine the activity cost allocated to the three customers using the activity rates. 3. Construct customer profitability reports for the three customers dated for the year ended December 31 using the activity cost in number 2. The report should disclose the gross profit and income from operations associated with each customer. And number 4, provide recommendations to management based on the probability reports in 3. Requirement number 1. Determine the activity rate for each of the three non-manufacturing activities. 1. Customer service, $76,860 budgeted cost divided by 427 requests is equals to an activity rate of $180 per request. On sales order processing, $25,920 divided by 1,080 per order is equals to activity rate of $24 per order. Advertising support with $311,250 divided by 249 ads is equals to an activity rate of $1,250 per ad. Requirement number 2. Determine the activity cost allocated to the three customers using the activity rates in requirement number 1. Since we already determined the activity rate and the activity base, we will now multiply both to get the cost. For the customer service, The Warehouse has 62 service requests, while Cosmo has 340 and Supply Universe 25, multiplied with the activity rate of $180 per request, a total of $11,160 for The Warehouse, $61,200 for Cosmo, and $4,500 for Supply Universe. For the sales order processing, we have the number of sales orders for Warehouse 300, for Cosmo 640, and Supply Universe 140, multiplied by the activity rate of $24 per order, a total of $7,200 for The Warehouse, $5,360 for Cosmo, and $3,360 for Supply Universe. And for advertising support, we have a numbers of ads placed. For The Warehouse, we have 25, Cosmo 180, Supply Universe 44, with a total of 249, multiplied by the activity rate of $1,250 per ad, we have a total of 31,250 for warehouse, 225,000 for Cosmo, and 55,000 for Supply Universe. A total for each product for the activity cost are: for the warehouse, 49,610, Cosmo 301,560, and then Supply Universe 62,860. Requirement number 3. Construct customer profitability reports for the 3 customers dated for the year ended December 31 using the activity cost in number 2. To compute, we will multiply the price of 1,110 to the unit volume of each customer amounting to 810. Total, 899,100, which is the same for all 3 customers. Same with the cost of goods sold amounting to 682 per unit multiplied to the unit volume of 810, total of 552,420, same for all 3 customers, with a gross profit of 346,680, which is the same for all 3 customers since they have the same unit volume. Now, with the calculated selling and advertising expense on the activity cost in requirement number 2, we will now deduct it to the gross profit so that we can come up with the net income. So, for the warehouse, we have 346,680 deducted with 49,610, we have a net income of 297,070. While for Cosmo, we will deduct the allocated cost of 301,560 to the gross profit of 346,680 with a total of 45,120. While Supply Universe allocated cost is 62,860 deducted to the gross profit, we have a net income of 283,820.